What's up, guys? Today we're going to be installing these new headlights inside of my Chevrolet. They've got the LED strips, which you need to splice them in order to install them, but I'm not sure how to splice them. I'm going to have to get with one of my buddies in order to help me splice them. So I'm not going to show the part where I install them or anything. I'm just going to install them and get that all out of the way and then show you what it looks like afterwards. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so we finally got the headlights in. All it is because I didn't show it, it's pretty simple. It's two rods to the top, and then these just kind of click in. So it's pretty simple, nothing too much, but they look pretty darn good. I need to replace those two bolts at the bottom. Bolts, why did I say bolts? Headlight bulbs, so that way they're clear instead of whatever the amber color that it is. I need to get those replaced. And I also need to get the LED lights. Need to get them spliced as well. So that way, and I don't know if I'll splice this piece or not. I'm still thinking about it, but I'll get these two spliced and we'll just hook them up to the running lights so that way they run all the time. Because if you try and run them with the turn signals at all, it likes to, you gotta have resistors and relays and all types of stuff like that. So I just wanna make them run with the running lights. So that way it just looks like all the newer trucks. Just kind of updates the whole truck, makes it look better. So yeah, she definitely looks a lot better with it. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe for more.